Hey guys, so it's one of those chilly days, so I'm about to make a cup of coffee and edit this video, but I just want to jump on and say that I am finally going to post my apartment tour, so I hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys have any questions on where things are from, drop them in the comments. I might not have covered it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get on to the video. So here's an overview of when you walk into my apartment. You can see my dog in the left-hand corner. She's super curious. I just wanted to give you a little overview, but I did want to start on this right-hand side of the room. There's this Instagram page, and I can't remember her name, but I'll link it down below. She has a bunch of copper, and especially copper pots just hanging. And so once I saw that, I knew that that's what I wanted somewhere in my home. So I started thrifting and antique shopping for copper pans and measuring cups, and I just hung them with some wire, and I think it looks really cool. And then over here, I have this old mantle that my mom had in her home, and now I have it. And then I like to just decorate it for different seasons. Right now I know it's fall, but I really just love the gold accents and the wood tones and all that. So I decided to keep it just kind of simple in that way. I love that little mirror. I got it at an antique store for like $4. And this is a Winberg painting. My grandparents gave it to my parents, and then my parents gave it to me and my husband. So I love that painting. It's so pretty, and the frame is pretty too. So another little overview of the dining room. I got this antique table not too long ago. My parents knew I was looking for one, so they were looking for one for me, and they found one. Send me a picture, and I fell in love. The chairs too, I found it at a different antique store, and I got a really good deal for them. And then here's just my little tablescape. I got those little, everything here that you see is from an antique store or a thrift store, minus the like wood stand is from Target, but I love it. I just decided to keep it pretty simple. And then I just have some platters or plates or whatever you want to call them hanging, but I think I want to rearrange them where the smaller one's on top. But I got all of those at different thrift stores. And then this shelf is really fun to decorate. I got it off Facebook Marketplace, but it's originally from Target. And I just have a bunch of different antiques, vintage items, but also not. Like those two pieces on the right are from Target. And so, it's just a different mix of different things, but still keeping it pretty neutral. And then I have like little pops of blue and stuff like that. So this is really fun to decorate. Here's just another quick overview of the dining room. We really eat here only when my parents and sister come over. There's me and my mirror. This is the only place. It's a lot smaller, this apartment, than my old one, so that's the only place I could fit our long mirror. This area, I knew it was for a computer, but I wanted to still make it look cute, and my mom helped me actually a lot with this area. I just have my typewriter there and then a bunch of different decor pieces. I feel like this here is a little cluttered, but I still think it looks pretty. So I just love this area, and I think that just adding that decor really helped it out a lot. So this is what you see when you walk into my apartment further. Obviously, here is my living room. Here's an overview of my living room. I really love my living room. I feel like it's changed a lot from when I first started, living on my own, living with my husband and stuff. So I love that. And then here is my kitchen. And there was this huge ordeal with moving in. We were not supposed to live here. We were supposed to live somewhere else. I really wanted white cabinets, but it's fine. Let's talk about this area right here. So my parents found me this piece at an antique store. Don't know if it was antique or anything, it was obviously repainted and redone, but I think it's so pretty. That lamp is probably my favorite thrifted find because it's gorgeous. I love it. It was like $3, and I have its pair on the other table in the living room that I'll show you. That ceiling tile is just so cool. It's super rusty, but I feel like it goes really well. And then my TV stand was actually part of a hutch that I just repainted not too long ago, this past summer, and then these knobs are from Hobby Lobby, so it got a little scratched up in the move, but it's fine. I thrifted that chair, surprisingly, and I love that chair. I don't think I'll ever get rid of it unless it tears apart, right, with these dogs, but yeah, I'm obsessed. And then here's my newest addition to our family. Her name is Chai Tea. She's so cute. She's an Australian Shepherd, but she's also crazy. So we just got these new couches too, and I'm obsessed with them. They're from Rooms to Go. And then I added yellow pillows just to kind of, add to that fall touch. And then you can kind of see my other dog pop in. You'll see her in just a little bit. So this table, it had so much potential, y'all. And I was bragging about it for so long. But then look at this. This sounds so weird, but I left some hot sauce on there overnight, like a jar of hot sauce. And I went to go pick it up and put it away. And we're getting too much into this hot sauce story. But that's my tablescape. I forgot to show you guys this shelf. I got it at a little antique market store, but I love the way that it looks. I love these salt and pepper shakers. My mom got them for me at an antique store, and I thrifted that frame for like $6 at Goodwill, and I love it. And then my husband and I like to collect cacti, so there's one there, and then there's some on the bookshelf that I'll show you. And then this stool, I love this stool. I got it at an antique store, and I've had it for I guess almost 3 years now, but just have a candle. I need to get a lampshade for that lamp, but I love it. There's my other baby girl. She loves to go out on the porch and hang out and just look around. Then here is this shelf is super cool. It was $20 at an antique store. I want to repaint or do something to the background of the shelf. I don't know if you can see, but it has some markings. But I also want to just collect a bunch of old books. I think that it would look really cool on this shelf. That's all I have so far, but I want to eventually get more. See, you can see the background. It's just not really finished, so I want to do something with it. But this is what I have so far. I still think it looks really pretty in the corner. And then my mom recently found me this mailbox, and I added some florals to it just for fall. And I think it's so cute. It fit perfectly on that little piece of the wall. So then I have, I'd mentioned the pillows and everything, the new couch. And then I have this painting that is from Hobby Lobby, but I just love the colors, and the scene is so pretty. Over here, there's the other twin of the lamp that I thrifted. I looked it up, and I think they're like $100 each or something like that online, and I got them for $3 each, and then this little piece matched, and I got that at an antique store. So, and those paintings are from Kirkland. So that is my living room. I have another painting. I say painting, it's a frame, a picture from Hobby Lobby, and then I got this little piece from a thrift store, and I just thought it was so cool. And then I'll just put different florals in it throughout the year. Okay, here's my kitchen. I still really like this kitchen. It's not my dream kitchen or anything, but I really like it. Those dispensers for soap are from Amazon, and then I ordered the labels from Etsy, and then I have a little sponge holder from this little shop. Then I have the coffee area. That plant is from Target, and then that little canister has our coffee in it. And then I'm always lighting that candle. I have some cutting boards that I've never actually used, just for decoration. And then our coffee maker. So I like this area a lot. I think it's really pretty. Here's what everything looks like from the sink and the kitchen, I guess. Then going the other way, I have these two pictures from Burlington, and when I saw them, I felt like it really matched my style, so I had to get them. And then I saw a lot of people doing this with these jars, which are from Walmart, and I just have flour and oats in there. And then this area is probably one of my favorites in the apartment. I just got this little pitcher from an antique store, and then I just put a bunch of wooden utensils in the container, or what is this called, pitcher. And then I like this corner a lot. I have my Magnolia table book, and then some, a crock and some vintage rolling pins and bowls and stuff like that. And I love this bowl. It's a Pyrex bowl. Super cute. I have cookie cutters in this jar, and I was trying to figure out what to put there, and I thought it looked okay. We have some of the knives in there washing, so that's why it doesn't look so full. And then I have a little crock with a faux plant in there, so it's cute. And then just top of our cabinets, we have some mugs. We try to get a mug from each new place we visit, so. And then lastly, I thrifted this carpet for, I don't remember how much, but it was originally from Target, and I just think that it kind of makes the space a little bit more cozy. Here is my bedroom. There are my girls again. They're so cute. Chai and Nova. So the bed, oh, and Chai definitely just loves to be the center of attention. The bedding is from Target. I got it on sale, and it came with those pillows minus the white ones. They're from TJ Maxx. But then I got those, what they look like as windows. They were old picture frames. They were only like $7. I took it all apart, and I think it's really pretty. Sorry about the lighting. It was kind of weird lighting when I was recording this. But I love our bedroom. Oh, there goes Chai again. This whole part of the video, I feel like, is very Hot Mess Express because my dogs are playing, and they're just a lot sometimes, like, as you can see. Yeah. So here is what you see when you're like laying on the bed or something. I got this antique table at an antique store for like $40, and I love it. I couldn't figure out what to do with it, but it fit my TV perfectly. So that ended up working out. And then I just got these two frames at Goodwill and touched them up with some gold paint. And I think that they're really cute. They're different scenes, like I think spring and winter. And then this is actually really special. It's my husband's great-great-grandmother's vanity. So I will never, ever, ever get rid of it. It is just so special. I just have my makeup and my perfumes on there as well. And then that little dish I got from a thrift store. And I love this piece too. I can't ever figure out what to put in it, but I still think it's really pretty to just hang up. So that is an overview of my room and my crazy dogs. I ended up getting them off the bed though, so I could actually show you guys a normal view of my dogs, or not of my dogs, of my bed. So here's just another little overview of my apartment. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I didn't show you all of it, but I hope you guys enjoyed what I did show you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.